So welcome to week 6 lab part 2. We will install and configure wireless LAN controller. So in order to do that, we need to select the required network devices. We need switch 2960 switch. You need LAN-PT. Two of them. The lightweight access point. I will call this access point 1. This is access point 2. And then you need the WLC, the wireless LAN controller. We're going to connect the wireless controller using the copper crossover. Then I'm going to connect the interface 01 into gigabyte, 02 to gigabyte. And as you know, you need to add the adapter to power it on for each access point. This is on now. And this is the access point 2 is on now. We will start with management configuration by adding the IPs. Then we will go to the wireless LAN and we will add the access point. So keep this one as a disable and then just save. Then a new one for the AP2. We need to add the WAP. So 10 digits. Then keep this one as 10 hexa digits. Then add it. So you can see there are two AP1 and AP2. After that, you need to create a new IP group for each one. Maybe we're just gonna first just going to add the configuration for the DHCP, and then I will get back into this part. Can call this one WLC. You can keep up to 100 user. And 0.5, and then add that, and you can double check that all the information are correct. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the groups now. I will create a new, call this one AP1, take the AP1 from the wireless LANs and AP1 from the access point, save, new one, AP2. So if these access points are not showing, you just need to go to the access point and just make sure they are on. So now you can see the three groups now. So after that, you just need to bring one of the end devices to test the connection wirelessly. I'll bring smartphone. So you need to connect the SSID into the AP1. So this is start working straight away. If I'm going to bring a tablet here, just remember when you do the connection for the tablet or whatever devices to AP2, you need to write the SSID, and also you need to enter the WEP. If you remember, we created from 10 digits. Now it's all up and running. Okay. Thank you and good luck with your work.